Closing market comments for Friday, August the 21st. Markets were quiet today, waiting for the Pro Farmer Tour. We closed the day with corn up 1 to 2 cents, wheat up 6 to 7, and soybeans unchanged to a penny lower. Pro Farmer released data this morning with corn yield in Minnesota at 195 and a 3-year average of 180.2, and national yield according to USDA at 197. Pod count of 1085 versus a 3-year average at 1025. Iowa yield was 177.8 this morning that they released, compared to the 3-year average of 183.6 and USDA at 202. Pod count at 1146 versus 1136 on the 3-year average. After the close, USDA or Pro Farmer released their data for the crop tour. They have the national corn yield at 177.5. This is down from USDA at 181.8. And they had the total production at 14.820 billion bushels, and that is down from USDA at 15.278. Part of the difference is they knocked 525,000 acres out of the harvested number, with 300,000 of those coming out of Iowa alone because of derecho. On the soybean side, they had the soybean yield at 52.5. That's down from USDA at 53.3. They had total production at 4.362 billion bushels, and that's slightly lower also of 4.425 from the USDA. So traditionally, Pro Farmer does come out a little lower than USDA numbers, so we'll have to see how this progresses. On a state breakdown, we had the state of Illinois at 205. We had Iowa at 180. Nebraska at 188, Indiana at 186, Minnesota 199, Ohio 176, and South Dakota at 164. On the soybean side, we had Iowa at 55, Illinois at 62, Nebraska 59, Indiana 61, Minnesota 51, Ohio 57, South Dakota 51. So now we'll watch the weather. We're through the reports. The next report will be out in September. We do have USDA saying they're going to resurvey and give some numbers as far as acres after the derecho storm. The USDA did announce sales this morning of 405,000 metric tons of corn to China for 2021, 400,000 metric tons of beans to China for 2021, and 368,000 metric tons of beans to unknown for 2021. So again, 13 out of the last 14 days, we continue to see export sales being announced and lending support to this market underlying support. Thanks for watching. Have a good weekend.